Yun, so ito na guys yung ating bagong controller from ECSMX, no. So nakalagay guys dito yung ating model MO5 mobile gaming controller. Compatible siya guys sa Xbox Game Pass, sa Stadia, Steam, GeForce Now, tsaka sa Luna. Okay, tapos sa likod, ayan, nakalagay yung ating mga features para sa ating Type-C controller. So okay, unbox natin to guys. Okay, so inside the box guys, syempre meron tayong user manual yan from ECSMX. So ito ang kanilang palaki na ngayon guys ng user manual, laki ng user manual yan. Tapos ito na guys yung ating Type-C wired controller from ECSMX. Okay, ang kanyang itsura guys. So dito meron tayong D-pad. Tapos dito meron tayong XY AB button, yung ating analog. Tapos yung dito niya guys, parang matte yung kanyang finish. Tapos sa kabilang side, syempre meron tayong rubber dyan para hindi nagagasgas ang ating smartphone. Tapos sa likod meron tayong macro buttons, ayan. Tapos simple lang yung design niya guys, no, black and white lang. Na ang lakas maka stormtrooper dating sa akin. Tapos sa ilalim, ayan, meron tayong rito, Type-C port. Tapos pag in-expand natin siya guys, ayan siya. Okay, ang galing kasi nakatago yung niya, yung function na ayan ang kanyang function. So Android, ayan, Xbox mode, virtual touch, PS mode, mode switching function plus turbo, key for 2 seconds. Tapos yung kanyang Type-C is siya, hindi naman siya steady, no. So kumbaga siya, sumusunod siya, hindi siya agad masisira. Kumbaga flexible yung kanyang Type-C wired connection. Yun, so sa features naman tayo guys ng ating MO5 controller. First, it has a comprehensive compatibility. The MO5 controller is compatible with a wide range of Android devices and Apple models above version 15, ensuring unparalleled gaming compatibility. Moreover, its clever design effectively avoids obstructing the lenses of most mainstream smartphones, allowing for hassle-free use even with phone cases. Second, it has a multi-protocol support. The MO5 controller is equipped with HID, Xbox, PS protocols, meaning it's adept at handling both native Android controller games and console-ported games. You would enjoy gaming across platforms without worrying about compatibility issues, as the MO5 ensures seamless connectivity and control. Third, it has a vibration feedback. In addition to supporting multiple protocols, the MO5 controller features built-in motors that transmit native vibration signals via streaming platforms. This means you can experience realistic vibrations while gaming, enhancing immersion and realism. Fourth, it has a convenient back key design. The MO5 controller incorporates two expandable back keys that can be mapped and programmed. This allows you to customize the function of the back keys according to your preferences and gaming needs, enabling actions like one-touch combos and special moves for effortless gaming victories. Last, it has a precise control. The MO5 controller's control stick adapts the design of a standard controller with a 50% increase in swing angle. This enables you to achieve more nuanced control in games. Whether you need precision or flexibility with the MO5 controller, you'll always feel in command during gameplay. So ano nga ba guys yung nagustuhan ko dito sa ating ECSMX MO5 controller? Una is naka Type-C wired siya. Ibig sabihin guys, hindi na to kailangan i-charge, kukuha lang siya ng power sa ating smartphone. So since Type-C wired na siya, so walang delay yung ating gaming. Next is kasya siya hanggang 6.8 na mga smartphone guys. Kasi 'di ba meron ngayon guys kagaya ng for example S24 Ultra is 6.8. So kasya siya rito guys. Kasi dati yung mga previous na mga controller is hanggang 6.7 lang. So ito guys, 6.8 kasyang-kasya. At isa pa guys na gustuhan ko dito is bukod sa Android compatible siya, compatible din po siya sa iPhone. Bukod doon is compatible din po siya sa mga Xbox Game Pass, Stadia, Steam, GeForce Now, Luna. Kagaya ko na meron akong Steam account, so pwede ko malaro yung mga Steam games ko using EasySMX MO5. And bukod doon, meron po siyang app customization support, tapos meron pa siyang dalawang macro button sa likod para pwede kang mag-add ng additional button. Yun, so dyan natatapos guys ang ating unboxing sa review ng ating bagong controller na si EasySMX MO5. So meron po tayong link sa may description para makapag-avail po kayo nito online. At syempre maraming salamat sa panood mga sir. Kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, please like, share, and subscribe para mas marami pa tayong videos na abangan. God bless mga sir and peace!